In this demo, we will create a property that will be displayed in all business terms. We will also edit the label of a default property. Use the Analyst Tool URL to log into the Analyst Tool interface. We will log in as the administrator who has the privilege to edit templates. To see the default properties in the business term template, click Business Term from the New menu. In this demo, we will create a custom property called Applicable To. We will add the custom property to the context section. The custom property will be an enumerated list with predefined values that are valid for the property. We can define other types of custom properties based on the needs of the organization. In the second part of the demo, we will edit the label of a default property to change the name of the property. Click Cancel to close the business term. Open the Financial Markets Glossary from the Library workspace to customize the templates. Click Edit. Select the Business Term Template tab. In the Available Business Term Template Properties panel, click Add to create a property. We specify the name, description, value, data type, and search rank for the property. We can optionally make the property searchable. Click Save to complete the task. The Analyst Tool creates a property and it is displayed in the Available Business Term Template Properties panel. Any administrator with the privilege to edit templates can now add the property to a glossary from the Available Business Term Template Properties panel. We will drag and drop the property to the context section. Click Save and Finish to complete the task of creating a property. To see the property that we created, click Business Term from the New menu and choose the Financial Markets Glossary. The property that we created with the enumerated list is in the context section. We will edit the business term template once again to change the label of the related terms property. To edit the property label, we edit the glossary and select Business Term Template. We select the property that we want to modify and click the Edit icon. We edit the label in the Property Label Definition tab. We will change the label to Similar Business Terms. We can also place a property in a different section by choosing from the drop-down in the Default Section option. Alternatively, we can use the arrow icons to move the property or drag and drop the property to a different section. Click Save to complete the task. That completes this demo. To summarize, we created a property and added it to the business term template. The property was an enumerated list. Next, we changed the label of a default property to change the display name.
If you have feedback on this demo or to request a demo on another topic, email us at infa_documentation@informatica.com. You can also tweet us on the InfaSupport Twitter site.